All right, so on Sunday when market opened, there were two assets I was actually looking at to move our account from the 270 to 540, and that was GBPUSD and EURUSD. But unfortunately, I didn't get my entry for the GBPUSD. I decided to go for EURUSD, which has resulted to a loss. I closed part of my positions. I made 39,000 naira, and then I left some other positions that ran to a loss of 108,000. So in total, I lost about 70k. So the account currently has moved from 270 down to 200. But then there is a setup that is cooking that I believe should get us to our target by tomorrow or before end of the week. So this is GBP USD. Like I said, I was expecting a sell on Sunday. I was expecting when I checked the market on Sunday, I was expecting a retracement down to this level before I take a buy up here. But then market has been consolidating since Sunday night all through to today, and then it broke out of this same way the Euro USD broke out and then hit my stop loss. GBP also broke out, and it has now gone to the area of interest where I would have bought to if I got a deeper retracement to this level. So fine, at this point now I just need to focus more on the sell side of this setup. Now, like I said in my previous analysis, this is a perfect head and shoulder setup, very simple and straightforward. I see the market forming this particular pattern here. You know, it has been a very clear pattern that the market is trying to form here. So this is exactly what the market is going to do, I think. So, but this level from here to here to here, this is the head and shoulder pattern that I was actually looking at, or I'm still looking at right now. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, this is the right shoulder. Market broke through the neckline, hit the daily support level, which I bought from on Friday and made my 170% return on investment. And now market has retraced back to the neckline of the head and shoulder. So at this point, it's going to be a perfect zone to look for a sell down all the way to, first of all, the first target would be to hit down this daily support again. But I believe that over time, the market is going to break through and even get down all the way to this point. So, but the first area of interest is here, looking for an entry somewhere around this zone. So, and then my target will be this zone. It's going to be a good 1 to 2 setup. I'm going to be risking about 100 pips or thereabouts. I'm going to risk about 115 pips to go for 233 pips. So this is what I'll be banking on. But I expect this market over time to even give us a deeper bearish movement all the way down here. But for the purpose of our target for the week, will be okay if I get my close there. So this is what I'll be looking at. All I need to do, this is the daily time frame. All I need to do is to come down over to the 1 hour time frame or the 1 hour time frame or 30 minutes time frame to look for my bearish formation candles to get my entries. This is a forced retracement that is happening right now. I still believe market is going to go a little bit up before between now and maybe Asian time. I expect the market to give me my entry formation inside my area of interest somewhere around here, and then I'll be going in for my entry. And tomorrow also is interest rates for GBP, and the rate currently is at 4.25, and there is a forecast for a reduction in rates to 4.0. If that happens, I expect an immediate weak pound. So if that happens, then of course that will also support the GBP USD sell analysis. So hopefully that will give us the push that we need to have a sell to happen by tomorrow. So let's keep our fingers crossed and keep an eye on this trade. All my focus right now is on GBP USD. I'll keep you guys updated. See you.